Hello beautiful people, this is Fasi from Pakistan. Last year in December, Honor 10 Lite contest occurred in Honor Pakistan community, and surprisingly I have won that contest. And now I just received the device today. This variant has 3GB RAM, 64GB ROM, my favorites fire blue color and 1-year warranty of INOVI technologies. Let's get it unboxed and check out what the Honor 10 Lite is all about. And I'm very excited and desperately wanted to unbox this gorgeous, stunning and powerful machine. I am unable to find my tripod, therefore my brother is on recording camera and my whole family is around the table because they wanted to see the stylish phone which is equipped with tons of features. Today I am not reviewing it, I am just uploading the unboxing video of this device and I will upload the review video after using it. Let's fast forward the video to see the glory Honor 10 Lite. But the word light doesn't mean that it only contains some minimum level features. It feels lighter and handy, that is why it named Honor 10 Lite. The backside of this smartphone is very disco and stylish, which is capturing the light very nicely, and the feel of this device is really awesome. Right side panel contains volume rocker and power button, and here is the SIM card tray. Down below is the USB 2.0 for charging this device, headphone jack, ringer, and that's it. Just keep the phone aside for a second and have a look at rest of the box. It has the Poke pin to eject the SIM card tray. It's a user manual in different languages. And wow, it contains a lovely transparent case which keeps the device handy and the smartphone will look nice and pristine. It also gets 3-pin plug. Let's focus it to see the amperes. So it is 2 ampere charger with a USB cable. Oh nice! I have seen some unboxing videos of Honor 10 Lite, but it does not contain any hands-free. So I am the lucky one who belongs to Pakistan and the Honor company is providing us hands-free as well. This is the standard hands-free which of course have a single button and a mic. I definitely will upload a review of this hands-free in near future. And now it's time to place the accessories aside and turn on Honor 10 Lite for the first time. And the game begins. The back finish is really attractive and it is made up of plastic, but the finishing is really premium and looks like the glass. And I am really fan of this dark blue color variant. It is very handy and the feeling is really elegant. Although it is really shiny, but it is not slipping through my hands. That's all from me today. Let this device surprise me with its stunning style and beast Kirin 710 processor inside. It also has EMUI 9.0.1 and it is the first device in 2019 from Honor which contains Android Pie with the box. I will upload a hands-on review after having in-depth look to this device. It's a completely different smartphone and has entirely epic look. Comment below if you have any question about this device. Cheers everyone, tata for now.